Guys, so in today's video I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this makeup look. I absolutely love how the look has turned out. It's all blue, like my eyeshadow, my outfit, even the perfume that I used, everything is blue, and I'm absolutely enjoying this blue vibe that's going on. It feels so fresh. This look is perfect for an evening occasion, be it a cocktail party, a sangeet party, or a New Year's Eve party. I think this look would be fantastic for all of those occasions. So in case if you happen to recreate this makeup look, do tag me on your Instagram recreations. I would love to see them. My Instagram handle is mentioned in the description box below. So yeah, if you want to know how I created this look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so I've already prepped my skin, and before I begin with the makeup, I want to try this new launch by Mamaearth. This is their Eau de Parfum, which is a unique fragrance, a unique perfume by Mamaearth. And as soon as I heard that Mamaearth came up with perfumes, I was really excited to try this out, and that's why I got my hands on this. First of all, the packaging is really cute. It comes in this cardboard box, and once I open the box, that is how the perfume looks like. That is what the bottle looks like, and I absolutely love how cute the packaging is. And this is India's first Made Safe certified perfume, and it's vegan. Now this is the first of its kind scent which is unique to its wearer, which means that if I open the bottle and if I smell the perfume, it's gonna smell the same for everyone, but once I spray this on my skin, it's gonna get mixed with the oils on my skin, and it's gonna transform into a completely different fragrance, and it smells different on every single person. So right now if I smell this, it's got a very fresh, a very refreshing, a very aqua sort of a fragrance, something that's suitable for everyone, be it men, women, anyone. It's a unisex perfume. Smells really good, but once I spray this on my skin, within just a couple of minutes, it's gonna mix with the oils on my skin, and it's gonna transform into a signature scent which is different for every single person, and it cannot be replicated. Oh my god, it changed. So now I feel like it's got a fruity scent is what I feel. I really like this. This is like, I don't know what kind of sorcery this is. It's such a unique product. And since this is unisex, I'm also going to make my husband use this. I'm also going to make everyone at home use this and see what kind of signature scent it produces when it comes in contact with their skin. I absolutely love how it smells right now. Mamaearth also claims that this perfume lasts for up to 12 hours, which is a good amount of time. So in case if you want to purchase this, I think it's one for kind product. It's going to smell different on everyone, so you're going to have that signature scent of yours that nobody can copy, nobody can replicate. So in case if you want to shop for this, it's available on Amazon, Nykaa, Flipkart, also on Mamaearth's website and their app, where if you use my coupon code, that is Riya 2022, then you'll get a 20% off. I highly recommend you shop from Mamaearth's website, because every time that you place an order on their website, they link your order to a treat that they planned. Or you can also shop from their app, where you will be getting early access to the sales, which means that you'll be saving on more money. I'm just gonna spray a little more of this because I am absolutely enjoying the fragrance. Now moving on to makeup, I'm going to be using the stick foundation first. I'm using a concealer only under my eyes to cover up the dark circles. And to set my base in place, I'm using some compact powder.
So I'm
I'm done with my eyebrows off camera, and now I'm going to move on to eyeshadow, and for that I'm going to be using this glitter eyeshadow. I'm spraying a little bit of makeup fixer on my brush first and then picking up the eyeshadow. I absolutely love how the shade looks on me. It's in the shade 37 Party Mode, and it's such a beautiful shade. And the reason why I use the makeup fixer is to prevent a lot of fallouts which happen while you use glitter. Even though this is a pressed glitter, there are a lot of fallout. And if you use makeup setting spray on your brush first, then the fallouts are going to be like very minimal. So let me just dust off any fallout. Next up, I'm using that sea blue color, and I'm applying it to the outer corners of my eyes and also into my crease. I'm using a tiny brush and applying the same color on my bottom lash line. Okay, so I'm back with some lashes, and I absolutely love how the eye makeup looks. I think it looks so pretty. So moving on to the rest of the face, I'm going to be contouring my nose a little bit, and for that I'm going to be using this bronzer. I'm going to use the blush from the same palette. I'm picking up the highlighter from the same palette and highlighting all of the high points of my face. And lastly, to finish off the makeup look, I'm using this nude pink lipstick. So yeah, that's the final look, and I love how the makeup turned out. You can pretty much wear this makeup for a cocktail party, for a sangeet party, or for a New Year's Eve party, or just in general if your dress is blue and it's got all this shimmer and everything going on. I think this blue glitter eyeshadow would really complement that kind of an outfit. So you can pretty much wear this look for all kind of parties, especially during the evening or the night time. Also, the perfume that I sprayed at the beginning of this video, I can still smell it. It's just as good as I just sprayed it. It hasn't faded even the slightest bit, and I can still smell it like so strong and so beautiful. So it does seem like a long-lasting perfume because it's been about 1 hour and 45 minutes since I've been filming this video, and in spite of that, the smell of this is still intact. It hasn't faded even a bit. So I highly recommend you check this out. It's gonna be your signature fragrance that nobody else is ever gonna have, and it's long lasting as well. And also, if you happen to try out this makeup look, do tag me on your Instagram recreations. I would love to see them. And also, if you enjoyed watching this video, please give it a big fat thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Follow me on Instagram. And yeah, with that, it's a wrap for now. I shall see you super soon.